Alright guys, I had for you the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Now, this is a keychain sized Leatherman, and it's a nice little thing. All the tools are outside opening, except for the pliers obviously. The pliers are nice and spring loaded, which is very nice. It's got a wire cutter here, and needle nosed, and regular pliers here. And as for tools, it's got a small blade, which is flat ground, but it's let's see, it's flat ground, and it's the like, it's not ground on both sides. Oh, it's an angle grind. That's what it is. It is angle ground, but it's not a problem like it was with the SOG Power Lock, because it's such a small knife. You don't really. I mean, I use this for opening letters and packages, so it's really no big deal. None of the tools lock. It's all back spring. And none of the tools are one-handed opening. I'll nail nick, but that's. What do you expect? This is a $15 keychain sized multi-tool, which I don't keep it on my keychain. I keep it in my pocket, but it's nice. It's a nice size. It's got a file here, wood and metal sides, and on the other side we have a ridiculously tiny pair of scissors. To be honest, it seems kind of useless, but you know what? I'm not complaining, because they're scissors. And then you've got a flathead, a screwdriver, and bottle opener. And over here you have a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, most of the tools are kind of difficult to use, just because they're so small. I haven't actually tried opening a bottle with this, but I mean, the bottle cap is probably like this big, and on a tool like the Wave, you can see. We'll just compare it for size here. There it is. What? Close. Okay, so I mean, you can see the difference. I feel like it'll work, but it's probably better options. Obviously, if you're carrying around your Wave or what have you, I would use that over this. But if you're not carrying anything, especially in places where you're not allowed to carry, or you wouldn't want to carry a big flashy knife or whatever, I find this is a great option. And it's handy in a pinch when you don't have anything else and you need a pair of pliers or whatever. Yeah, Squirt PS4. So that's it for the multi-tools and knives, and I'll be back in a jiff with some more stuff to review.